Hi. In Elite Technique, there are multiple ways to set up an appointment or meeting. In this video, we'll cover the most efficient and recommended method to schedule a meeting from an already existing lead. This will save us time and effort, and I will later in this video show you why. So here we are in our CRM dashboard, and this is our pipeline. First off, click on Open Leads, the first stage. These are all the leads that have been previously created in our system. You can relate to our video on how to create a lead, so you can learn how to create a lead from scratch or learn the multiple options you have in terms of creating leads. On this occasion, we're going with Wood Lead. So to open a lead, click anywhere on the lead line, except on the checkbox. Now that we're inside the lead, we see that there's many things we can do here. But for the sake of this video, we're going to focus on how to set up a meeting using our calendar. So first, click on this little calendar icon that says meeting. This will direct you to our calendar, where you can select the day, and then you go to the desired time frame. When you click on it, you will see that the summary of the meeting will be taken from the lead name. And this is because we used an already existing lead to create the appointment. So if you want to change it, this is the time to do so. When you're done, just click on Edit. Now, the first thing we want to do here is select the people that are going to attend the meeting. So by clicking on Select Attendees, I can select my attendees. So I'm going to select the administrator, and I'm going to select demo user, as well as Active Yard. Okay? Now, under meeting details, you can set who's responsible for the meeting, who the host is, what day and time the meeting is going to start, and you can also set the duration. This could be anything you need. It could be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You set the time freely. And if this is an all-day event, you want to check this box. Okay. Now that brings us to tags. Tags are not mandatory in the system, but they help us define groups and customers and to find them more easily. You may also add tags in order to run reports at a later time in groups that are the same. Maybe a customer talked to you about a dog. Or maybe it's a certain type of fence. Or maybe this is all related to wood, just like the lead says. These are just some of the tags that you can add in the system. Now, a really cool feature or perk that you get when using our system is the ability to send reminders. This avoids your office having to make follow-up calls so that your customers can remember their appointments. And you can set as many reminders in the system as you wish. There are multiple types of reminders, like notifications, which will only go out to participants who have accepted the invitation. Or you can also send emails. Emails will be sent out whether the participant has accepted the invitation or not. So once the appointment is saved, an email will go out to all attendees previously listed, asking them to confirm their attendance. If they choose yes, then all the reminders will be sent out accordingly. The location and opportunity are automatically populated from the lead that we used to create the appointment. Just like the meeting summary. The written description is also self-loaded. You can update this written description as much as you want. It will then be shared with the customer when the email is sent out. This is why at the beginning of the video, I said that by creating a meeting off an existing lead, we will save time and effort. If the appointment had been created from scratch, we would have to fill in the location and create an opportunity ourselves. Finally, under the Options tab, we have the ability to program recurrent meetings. We can set here the frequency with which the meetings will take place. We can set the privacy, and finally the status, meaning that we can show as free or busy during the time of this meeting and still be able to receive messages and calls or not. Once we are happy with our calendar and hit save, the appointment will be added onto our calendar. It will also be added to our user's calendar. When we return to our calendar view, we'll be able to view all our created appointments. Thank you very much.